today we're gonna do a dish called rice tofu. And when I saw it for the first time, I just thought, oh my gosh, you're just making rice cakes. Like, who are we tricking here? But it is actually a Chinese dish, and what's unique about it is lime. Edible lime is actually added to the rice to make the mixture kind of firmer and have a little bit of bite to it. And the sauce that I'm making today has some tomatoes and just some classic Chinese flavors. So it's very savory, it's very good. I'm super excited for the sauce. And then I'll tell you guys about the texture and the everything of the rice tofu afterwards, okay? So I hope you all enjoy this recipe.
Okay, so this has been soaking overnight. Usually the stage it should be at is, I guess if you pretty firmly press it with your hand, the rice should break. Okay, so now we're just gonna drain this. Okay, so with this bit, you have to be careful because calcium hydroxide is very alkaline, it's very basic, so it will burn. So just don't get anything, I don't know. So this is hydrated, so it's a little bit wetter, so it doesn't go powdery everywhere. I think I want to do about a tablespoon. So, okay, then you just want to dissolve it in, oh, I don't know, half a cup, quarter cup of water. So I'm just going to cook this on medium heat until I start getting a little bit of coagulation on the bottom, and then I'm going to add in my pickling lime solution. not using any of the deposits on the bottom because that's going to be super bitter. So I'm just using the clear liquid that was on the top. You can see, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but almost immediately the white mixture has kind of turned a slight yellow. And that is what alkaline substances do sometimes. It kind of exposes the color that is there. A bit, and then kind of get this to release just by getting some water into the cracks. Yeah, there's like a little bit of alkalinity, kind of like that pretzel-y flavor from the rice, but just a little bit. It's softer than I thought. It is very much kind of like tofu. I was expecting like a really bouncy texture. But it's nice. And it's really nice with the sauce as well because it's spicy and quite flavorful.